What we are looking at here is an Aspen charge table. We are looking to standardize the wiring underneath. Most of the tables that we have coming back have duct tape holding the wires in place, and what it is doing is the duct tape is coming loose on job sites, wires are falling down, customers are complaining of the visual of wires during their event. So what we're going to do is standardize how we want the wiring underneath the table. After all the masking tape or duct tape or whatever has been holding the wires down has been removed, the process of securing and managing the wires is best to be done like this. The supplies that you're going to use are 3/8 wire clips and a 16-inch piece of shock cord. First, secure your wire closest to your outlet. Taking the wire, condensing and organizing to a flat finish here. Taking your shock cord, securing it on the other side, and then bringing your clip, your third one, facing outward, and securing that down. This allows you to easily pull out the wire if you need to replace a bad component, and then easily reinstall your new cable to where it is secured and tucked under the table. And the outlet is easily plugged in. After we applied all the wiring from the outlets to the bottom of the table, the wire that goes directly to the power source needs to be attached to the leg with the wire management. The double-sided tape, apply it probably about 1 inch from the bottom, which will be about 1.5 inches from the frame. Applying it with the opening facing the inside. Secure on. Taking the wire, you want to have about 6 to 8 inches of wire sticking out the bottom of the wire management. Opening and applying the wire. And then clipping shut. Now that we have the wire secured inside the wire management, as we follow down, we notice that we have some excess wire down the bottom that will still continue to dangle. So what we're going to do is revisit the shock cord and the 3/8 clips. As you can see now that all the wires have been secured under the tabletop, nothing is visible, even at waist height. with the wire coming out the bottom to run extension cords for power.